Kimi Ngozi izwe amandla akho ihambela kumoya wakho ungiphonsa khona ibeka usuku lwami ezandleni zakho ikulela ukuhamba ngenhliziyo eqotho phambi kwakho ngizamazama ngaphandle kwakho baba ngakho ngimi lapha ngilungela ukuhola wena busisa usuku lwami Nkosi bisezinyawo zami zinganyakazi ngikhanyisele ezindaweni engingazazi ibe seduze kwakho baba wami. In the quiet morning I rise with hope, ready to walk whatever path you open. Give my spirit courage for the unknown, let my heart stay steady in your peace. Bless my day, Lord Jesus. Guide every step I take. Let your presence steady my heart. You're the anchor of my soul. Amandla kongevusa ekutheni ngingesabi. And your love keeps pulling me forward.